Top 5 once-in-a-lifetime natural moments you must witness. 1. Experience the mesmerizing green flash at sunset, a rare optical phenomenon at the horizon. 2. Witness the eerie Catatumbo lightning that storms over Lake Maracaibo for months. 3. See the spectacular migration of monarch butterflies covering thousands of miles annually. 4. Observe the blooming of rare desert flowers that occur only after heavy rains. 5. Marvel at the bioluminescent waves glowing in the ocean, caused by tiny marine organisms. Follow us for more amazing natural wonders and breathtaking moments.